guys. It is Saturday. I keep thinking it's Sunday.
No.
Today's Saturday.
At 9:15.
Yes. I'm getting ready for the day.
Yeah, I got a lot of busy work to do. What feels like 8 loads of laundry, even though there's only 2 of us.
I don't know how we get so much laundry.
I don't know. Paige's got some videos to work on, edit, and all that. I need to get some writing done. Mm-hmm. And there's very sad news. I don't have any coffee made. And
I got some.
I don't know how this happened.
Did I get the last of it?
I've never had to experience this before, so I'm really just
distraught.
I am. I'm almost at a loss for words, or I'm sure you guys wish I was at a loss for words anyway. But
so I guess on Josh's agenda, the first thing is to make coffee.
So I'll be okay. It's just it's tough right now. It is.
Oh my god, you're so dramatic.
You don't understand.
Yeah, because I have coffee.
Uh-huh.
I'm using a Rudolph mug.
It's okay. I wouldn't want to deprive another person of their coffee.
Oh, Jesus. You guys are starting to see Josh's real personality. Mm-mm. He exaggerates everything.
I do not.
We have to go by the new house today because we already started forwarding our mail.
Yeah.
To be effective today. Or no, yesterday. I don't remember what day.
Something.
So some of our stuff already started going over there apparently because we haven't gotten mail in like 2 days.
Yeah. So we got some packages and stuff sitting there, I believe.
Yeah, even my Amazon packages are going there.
Mm-hmm.
Because here there isn't an Amazon warehouse nearby, so they do everything through the post office. So since we set up the mail forwarding, they also are forwarding our packages. Even though I knew it would still be here, that's why I put this address on the Amazon order, but it's okay.
Started a new job on Monday.
Yes, Josh starts a new job on Monday.
That'll be exciting.
That's part of the reason why we had issues, because, you know.
Yeah,
we don't need to go into all the details. I don't think we should put all that online, but
no,
anyway.
That's a whole other story, but...
Long story short, Josh got a new job.
I got a new job, and
it's going to be a lot better.
Fingers crossed. We should be closing on the house at the end of next week.
Yes.
Beginning of the week after.
Worst case scenario.
Hopefully worst case scenario. But we got things in the works. I'm not going to lose place or anything. It's just a waiting game. So
we're going to try and get we call them the kids. It's Josh's brother and sister. They're not even that much younger than us.
Well, Zach is 2.5 years younger, but I mean, Shiley is 9 years younger, isn't she? No, she's not. She's 16. Oh crap! She's 9 or 10 years younger than me.
So we're gonna try and get them to come over later. We had already packed up all the video gaming consoles, but we can easily just unpack them and reset them up again.
Yeah, we'll just get the Wii out and set up some Smash and Mario Kart.
Zach also got the new Nintendo Switch, so he could bring that, and then because I don't think he has it connected to a TV right now, right? He's just using it as.
Well, no, I mean the whole point of that one is you can just bring it through, but he only has 2 controllers at the moment.
Right? Yeah, it's the only downside, but we will make it work.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. And Shy, I know you watch these videos, so I'm gonna ask them, and Paige's probably gonna get rid of this. She's constantly telling me I have stubby fingers. Fat, stubby fingers. Sausage hands. Does that look like a sausage hand?
I feel like it's not that much different. Yeah, see?
Look at that. That's not a sausage hand.
I feel like if he has sausage hands, then I must also have sausage hands.
She says I have fat, stubby fingers.
Leave a comment down below.
Leave a comment. Tell me. Craig, not you. You keep your mouth shut.
Oh, speaking of, it's Craig's birthday today. Happy birthday, Craig.
Happy birthday, Craig.
I'm so sorry you had to listen to that. All right. We got some Sonic. Okay, Josh is going to do a taste test of the new queso burger.
Flatter than I expected.
Yeah, I think it got smushed.
Yeah.
So, ooh, It's supposed to have Hatch chilies and cheese sauce. And...
Actually, looks like something from Smash Burger.
Yeah. Is it good?
Good.
Is it too spicy for me?
It is not in the least bit spicy.
Oh. It's more like,
It just tastes like a burger with some cheddar sauce.
no, it's like nacho cheese sauce.
Yeah. It's just a burger with some cheddar sauce.
It's good though.
It's good, but I am disappointed because now half the burger's gone after 2 bites. Getting that on footage. There you go. That's on film.
Hi, Zoe.
Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Oh, look at the baby. Oh yeah.
You're gonna make her get up.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Jeez.
What?
Are you comfortable?
You just want to be on camera? Hi, Havoc. And do you smell the puppies? Do you smell the puppies? Oh, we missed you. Come on, let's go put away laundry. Come on. Come on. Who's here, buddy? Oh, he loves when Zach comes over.
Havoc loves Zachary.
That's because I'm the only one that actually pays attention to him.
Oh, yeah, right.
Oh crap.
He was sniffing
Oh,
at my socks, and I was
He's gonna
giving him all
fall.
sorts
Look
of
at him
attention.
go.
You're gonna fall, you dingus.
Hey, don't call my nephew a dingus.
Well, he's a dingus. He gets it from me, though. It's fine.
Look at you. Hi, handsome boy. Oh, my goodness.
I just wanted to go put my bag down.
Oh. Oh,
Oh, you just left me for my bag, huh?
wow. The truth comes out.
What was the older one?
Alright, guys, we're going to try and make this teriyaki chicken recipe.
Yes.
So, the recipe called for boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we got bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs.
Yes, we did.
So, we're already starting off fantastic.
Oh, and then slightly frozen.
Oh, lovely.
Nice.
So, the recipe says to cut them up and then put cornstarch. Then you're gonna cook it in the air fryer, and then once it comes out of the air fryer, we're going to use. There was a recipe to make your own teriyaki sauce, but we had trouble finding all the ingredients, so we're just gonna use this pre-made teriyaki sauce on it. And then we're gonna make some rice and lima beans on the side.
I feel like I'm not using the right knife for this whatsoever.
Probably not. Okay, we're gonna show you guys the finished product.
Just say.
Alright guys, here is the teriyaki chicken. It looks gross on camera, but I promise in person it looks good.
Yes.
We also decided to crisp up the chicken skins.
We basically made chicken rinds.
Yes, and then we've got some white rice and lima beans. Good morning everyone, happy Sunday. Havoc is in a very lovey mood this morning. Aww. He loves to rub his face against things when he's getting attention. Josh is hungry and he wants to make a big breakfast. I'm still full from dinner last night.
What?
Oh, Havoc says he's too tired. I agree.
Yeah, let's see if we'll do the thing. Come on.
There he goes. You gotta move him. Oh.
No. He doesn't want to play.
only a little bit of cheese left, so I put the rest of the cheese on his omelet, and now there's like, why am I trying to do it like that? Now there's way too much cheese on there.
It is, however, Josh approved.
Here is the finished product. And then Josh is making a K-cup. It's these new ones I got. It's Mountain Cabin Luxe Vanilla Cappuccino. It smells really good.
Smells good.
Alright guys, here's my outfit of the day. This long sleeve shirt is from Kohl's, I think. It has like one of those built-in, where it looks like it's tied, but it's really just like built into the shirt. It's slightly cropped, so I am wearing some high-waisted jeans. These are just from Ross, I think. And then of course I've got my Bob's shoes on. I wear these like every day. That's today's outfit. Oh, I almost didn't see you. You blend in. Hi. Hi, handsome. And there's my other handsome. And my final handsome. Oh, goodness. Alright guys, we are on our way to the new house. It's gonna be hard to see the new house.
It is.
For me. I don't know.
Well, it's gonna be tough. So we're just gonna keep it in mind that you know, that's something to look forward to at the end of the week.
You're right. It's just a few days away.
Yeah, it's still ours.
It's just hard like not knowing when we're gonna be moving now. Like we're just kind of like, I feel like we're in standby. Like we're just waiting.
Yeah.
We don't know much of anything right now. Well, okay, that's not true. We know that we're gonna get it. We just don't know when.
Have to be patient. A couple more days. So.
Yes. This is definitely a test of our patience.
Yeah.
Good news is that the weather is beautiful today. It's on the slightly cold side, but it's already warming up and it's really sunny. As you can see, there is like not a cloud in the sky. It's such a beautiful day.
Yeah.
So there's always something positive. And the good thing is we still get to go see the house. I am grateful for that.
Yes.
Because seeing it reminds me of how excited I am. Here's a sneak peek of the house, guys.
You have your Amazon packages.
Yay. We'll do a better house tour once we move in, but here's a sneak peek. Alright guys, we are back home. We got Tropical Smoothie Cafe. It was Joshua's mom's one request for Mother's Day. Yep. I got the sunrise sunset and I added some protein. What'd you get? Where'd you go?
I got a weird avocado thing. I don't know what I was thinking. But
I thought it was good. Colada? Dang, you already finished a lot of it though.
Yeah, avocado. But I replaced the lime with frozen yogurt. So I don't know. I feel like it just tastes like frozen yogurt, but a little creamier because of the avocado. And then a little coconut in there.
I thought it had good flavor. I don't know.
It's good. I have no idea why I got it because there are multiple options that I really enjoy. And I would never say, you know, I'm really craving an avocado smoothie.
Well, you always like to get something different.
I suppose.
So, we're doing the usual, just some chicken tenderloins. We're gonna bread it. I have a little bit of my Dots pretzel rub left, but we'll also mix in some of these so that we have enough. And Josh is Josh is beating the eggs right now. And we're just gonna cook that in the air fryer. That's all I'm doing for meal prep this week. Josh is gonna help me with that. And then I'm gonna get some painting done.
Yep.
Alright guys, so here's the craft project for today. I'm going off an idea from this video from Laura DIY. So she took the canvas and she painted it just a regular color, and then she printed these and she's using Mod Podge to adhere them to the canvas. So I'm gonna try and do that with this. So I'm gonna paint the background like a very pale green, and then I printed off this Enjoy Today, and I'm just gonna cut out the letters, and then I printed off 3 of these sunflowers that I'm gonna cut off. Alright guys, here's the finished product. I kind of wish I would have just used clear Mod Podge instead of glitter, because I feel like the glitter made it kind of chunky and bubbly looking. So if you're gonna try this, I recommend using clear to get everything to stick on, and then at the very end, just do one coat of the glitter. Maybe it would look better. It's not bad. I'm still gonna hang it up because it's still pretty. It's just not my favorite. Not how I wanted it to come out, I think. I think it looks a little messy. What do you think? Chaos, hi. Oh, he does not like it.
Oh, I think it's neat.
Think it's neat?
I think it's neat. Neat is not a bad thing, people.
Okay. I feel more stressed after doing that. Usually I paint because it's like a de-stressor, but that was like not relaxing. Maybe that's why I'm not happy with how it came out, is because like the process was not enjoyable. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna put some comfy clothes on and I'm gonna go lay down, listen to some music. I know soon my mom and my stepdad are we're gonna video chat with them so I can talk to my mom on Mother's Day. I don't think we're gonna cook anything for dinner. We're just gonna eat leftovers and whatever's in the fridge. If you guys haven't heard of this, this is the Facebook portal. This is what I use to do video chats with my parents. This is really helpful. If you have like long distance family or long distance relationships, it makes it really easy. It just uses Facebook Messenger to do the video chats. Even if the other person doesn't have a portal, you can do it on their phone the same way. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Do you want to say
Hi to the vlog.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. Thank you for joining us in this vlog. You definitely saw an emotional roller coaster.
Yeah, I'd say.
But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of our moving journey.
The actual, process of getting
Yes,
the
the
house,
actual moving.
which should be coming up soon, hopefully.
Yes. Alright, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye everyone.